Hi, I'm Andy Bortz, and I'm the Instructional Technology Support Specialist for the Office of Information Technology. In this video, we're going to take you on a touch panel tour in your RebelFlex classroom. After you've powered on the system, you will be taken to the source page on the touch panel. This is where you can select if you want to display different sources in the room, such as the lectern computer, the document camera, or even your own laptop. Once you've thought about selecting a source, you can also position the room's camera to make sure that you are in the shot and visible to your remote audience. You can use a lectern view, a front of room view, or move the camera to any position that you choose. You can also adjust the volume level from the speakers in the room. If the audio coming from the speakers is too soft, you can raise the volume. If it's too loud, you can lower the volume. You can also mute the volume using the mute button. There are additional buttons that may be beneficial to you. You have a button that mutes all microphones in the room. You also have a button that will allow you to stop all video from being displayed to your in-person class and your remote audience. If you won't be recording your class sessions, you can skip this section. If you will be recording your classes, we recommend recording in both Panopto and WebEx. You can verify that your scheduled Panopto recording will start and stop on time by pressing the lecture capture button on the touch panel. You can also start a Panopto recording on the fly by pressing the Record Now button on the Panopto page. If you're recording in WebEx, you can click the record button in your WebEx interface to start your recording. We hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us for assistance.